Christmas is around the corner, and choosing the right cake with rich seasonal flavors is a big deal. Though you can get a traditional cake from any bakery, but what is better than baking a moist cake at home for your loved ones? If you love baking goodies at home, then you need to save this recipe. This recipe will give you a foolproof cake that you can quickly make at home with a handful of ingredients. In this video, you will see complete step-by-step guide for the cake making. The first step of making the rich Christmas fruit cake requires soaking the fruits in orange juice. With this process, the dry fruits rehydrate and give rich flavors to the fruit cake. Cut the dates into small pieces, then add black raisins, cranberry, yellow raisins, tutti fruity, and add them in orange juice and keep aside for at least 1 hour. Many people ask me why my cakes are so dry. So the answer is the ratio of wet to dry ingredients determine cake moisture level. If there is simply too much flour and not enough butter, a cake will taste dry. On the other hand, if there is too much milk and not enough flour, a cake will taste too wet. So finding the right balance between wet and dry ingredient is the key. Step is to dissolve the jaggery well. For that I have used hot water. In hot water jaggery dissolves easily. You can use solid jaggery also, but you should cut into small pieces before adding in the hot water. Then next step is sieving the dry ingredients. I have used whole wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda, nutmeg powder, ginger powder, cinnamon powder, cardamom powder, and keep aside. See, sieving is an important step that incorporate air in the mixture and even provide lump-free flour. In another bowl, add curd, milk and give a good mix. You can add oil in this also, or you can add in fruit mix also. After 1 hour, combine fruit mix and jaggery mix together and then add this mixture in your dry ingredients. Lastly, adding milk curd mix slowly in portions to get even consistency and even lump-free mixture. Why we add wet mixture slowly in dry ingredients? Because different flours have different amount of moisture. Sometimes the mix just hit the desired hydration before you have added all the liquid. So here I have sieved second time. This will make flour more lighter as we have used whole wheat flour, and the best way is to always add the wet mixture slowly in the dry ingredients to get the better results. Even you can add some chopped dry fruits, but always mix with flour before adding into the batter so that they will not sink. And if required, you can add 1/4 cup milk to get the ribbon consistency. Now transfer the batter into tin lined with baking paper, and even you can garnish with chopped dry fruits of your choice. Now preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and bake for 35 to 40 minutes or till toothpick or knife comes clean from the center. But after 25 to 30 minutes, you can lower the temperature at 180 degrees Celsius so that cakes bake well. Cool down the cake for some time. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Do let me know in the comment section how this recipe comes out. Also do like, share, and this will motivate me to make more such healthy content. If you always want your cake to bake well and give best results, then do follow the recipe and measure the ingredients well before adding. And also keep your cake tin ready before starting the recipe. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned.